guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It would surely help our channel. Happy reading! Hello everyone, this is chapter 53. Let's start reading. Greetings to grandfather and grandmother. Step forward. Siyempre, grandmother na rin, no? Kasi mga joke yan eh. I have been informed of the recent events in the mansion. This girl mainly relies on her wits since her looks are nothing special. Akala mo talaga fangit siya na. Akala niyo lang yon. Look carefully. Today is your coming of age ceremony and you have become a young lady. O tapos, char. Itong dokche na to eh. You should be more sensible and not cause trouble for your mother. Wow, nanakot. Akala mo naman matatakot si Vansha sa'yo. Akala mo lang yarn. Sino ka ba? Di naman kayo magkadugo ah. Grandfather, don't worry. Vansha won't cause trouble for mother anymore. Because I will expose her hypocrisy and ruin her reputation. Excited ako dyan. Paano niya kaya gagawin yan, ano? Well, we'll find out soon. Prince Tuan arrives. Ito na naman tong hypothetical na lalaking to. So, what's his gift? May dala-dala pang naka-ribbon, tapos may box pa. So, what is it? For sure, ang nagpadala niyan yung mother niya. Hindi naman niya bibili ng siya lang. It has spread throughout the capital. Ang ano? Anong na-spread throughout the capital? You and Shangdai were both kidnapped by bandits, and Prince Tuan saved Shangdai but didn't care about you. Ay, gusto ko yan na news. So, that was it. Whether he saved me or not was up to him. My words wouldn't have changed anything. So, kinampihan pa rin siya ng emperor. Di pa rin siya kinwestiyon, ganon. I did consider using Prince Tuan's influence for revenge. So, ngayon parang pinakita doon sa ano, no? Sa lahat na walang pakialam si Prince Tuan sa kanya. But on the night when Outer Molia King pressured him to make a choice, I gave up the idea completely. So siya sana yung gagamitin niya. But since hindi siya yung pinili, of course, dun siya. Kay Yubei. He would choose Yubei, of course. How can he do this? Prince Tuan is your fiancé, and he should save you both for love and reason. Why did he abandon you? Dapat yan yung nilalabas ng mga issues. But of course, hindi nila ilalabas yan kasi anuhin nila yung anak ni Jinshin, di ba? I don't care if he abandoned me or not. Besides, are girls only born to get married? That's exactly how I feel. A true friend is hard to find. Ayun, nakita niya kasi for sure, she's a princess. Naka-engage na din siya. And that will be political reasons. Just to gain influence, power, and all. Congratulations on your coming of age ceremony. Pa-cold-cold ka pa ha? Akala mo naman. Wala ka makukuha sa kanya pero kakamali ka boy. Here's a gift for you. Thank you, my lord. Siyempre, kailangan niya pa rin plastikan, ano? Kasi kung hindi, kukwestiyonin din siya, di ba? Prince yan eh. Stay away from me. Don't get close. These two don't even bother to pretend. Kasi magpre-pretend, ano naman sa lahat, 'di ba? Your Highness, it's hot outside. Please come in for some tea, o 'di ba? 'Di, kinonfirm lang ng babaitang ito na mas ano silang dalawa ni Prince Duan kaysa nung sister niya. Mas inano niya pa yung chismis na may secret ano sila engagement. Thank you, Miss Chingdai. See? Sila pa yung intimate. Samantalang yung fiancé cold na cold. Of course, yung mga tao, pagchichismisan sila. Isn't this improper? What about Bansha? Tapos nagmalinis pa ang babae. Will that woman get jealous and make sense? Sira ulo ka pala eh. Iniwan mo siya sa mga bandits tapos mag-iisip ka na magagawa siya ng eksena dyan. Itong utak gulunggong din to eh. Charin lang. Huwag naman kayo magalit. She's completely ignoring us and chatting happily. Siyempre, sino naman kay who you para pag-anuhan niya ng oras? Love is uncontrollable. Takot ka talaga sa kay concubine Shin, Prince Duan. I'll choose to favor whoever I want and nobody can stop me. Hindi niya kasi alam yung ano, no? Yung hula na yung may phoenix sa family nila Marcos G. And that would be, or that would gain the, kung sino makakapag-asawa sa kanya, siya yung magdadala ng crown sa ano, crown, yeah, like emperor, magiging emperor siya kung sino magiging asawa ng phoenix na yon. Hindi niya alam. Siyempre, dun siya sa isa. I had heard that the fourth daughter of the Yao family was beautiful and virtuous, but I never thought she was shameless like this. Is it inappropriate to be like this with her future brother-in-law? Kitang-kita naman, di ba? Siya lang sumira ng reputation niya, hindi si Bansha. Sila lang talaga gumawa ng issue. Prince Duan is just as willful as before. She has a background, imperial concubine wrong is powerful, and even the queen have to respect her. Discussing. Chengda, it's time for the ceremony. Help your grandmother up to the stage. Bakit siya? Di ba dapat si Ban siya ang mag-help kasi siya yung magano sa coming of ceremony? Yes. This is improper. Chengda is ignorant of the rules. Bansha, it's time for the ceremony. Let's go on the stage. Comfort. Yes, father. The characters for the play are all in place and the show is about to begin. Ay, excited ako dyan. Anong show ba yan? Walking up the stairs. Ay, excited na ako. Ano ba talaga mangyayari? It's so itchy. Ay, she's shouting. Ay, tatanggalin niya yung mask niya. OMG. Si papakita na niya yung totoong beauty niya. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Did she get some illness? Discuss. Ito na naman itong mga babaitang tukal mo kakaganda. Ay, it's not contagious, is it? Girl, what's wrong with you? Alam mo, may pa-scratch-scratch siya. Ay, ang galing umarte ng ate mo, girl. Mother, I didn't use the beauty cream you gave me today, and yet my face feels extremely itchy. Ano, parang sinising niya pa yung mother niya, di ba? Manda ka ngayon, Jinshi. Step back. No. No na lang talaga masabi mo, girl. Kasi alam mo na talaga anong mangyayari, ano? Alright, that's the end of that chapter, of this chapter. So, this is the preview of the next episode. Sabi na tatanggalin na niya yung disguise niya. She will going to remove the mask. And voila! The beauty comes out. The real beauty of Bansha. Finally, the itching has stopped. See? The beauty is here. The beauty is now out. Now the title of the next chapter will be Will the Country Girl Turn into a Fairy? Stay tuned for that and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye. Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter. Bye.